Okay guys, Motorcar Nut here. Today's video, we're going to address the volume on your radio. When you turn your volume on and you turn it and see how it doesn't really want to go, and you go back, see how it doesn't want to go? It keeps going and nothing really happens. Okay, what that means is there's a in back of the volume control has a little dial that makes contact, electrical contacts, and those contacts get gummed up or they get oxidized, and it doesn't allow the volume to go higher or lower. So what you do is you just take off the knob. Now you look over here, you see. Let me show you. You see how it moves? See this little shaft moves? What you're going to want to do is go get yourself some contact cleaner, electrical cleaner. Don't use brake cleaner or carburetor cleaner. All right, this is specially made for electronics. And what you do is get a rag. All right, and just cover everything. You don't want to splash it on your display or nothing like that. You want to make like a little pocket, something like that, right? It's hard to do with one hand, but you get the idea. Hold it like this, and you spray. You spray right in here, right where there's a little seam, and if there's any other seams in the back, to anything that has an opening, you spray it. Spray it on the top, then spray it on the bottom. Really good. It dries fast. Then take the rag away so you don't ruin or damage the plastic, because that's an important step. Okay, I'm going to do that and I'll get back. Okay, so once you spray it in there, what you're going to do is go back and forth like this with the radio off. Everything has to be off. You go like that, then you keep spinning. Keep doing that, and then again make a little pocket all the way around so nothing sprays on there. You get the idea, right? All the way around as best you can. Spray it again and do this again. Do it 3 times. All right, make sure you clean up everything and there's no splatter, because it could damage. And if you have a high-end car, you don't want to damage nothing. So, you know, it's up to you to listen to what I'm telling you. As you put it in nice and neat, you know, as best you can, and you spray the nozzle in there so it doesn't splatter nowhere. Okay, then you put the knob back, and let's give it a try. There we go. Okay. Actually, I got this on my truck too. I'm going to do it again. I'm going to show you how to do it again. Okay. So on this one, it's blinking everything, but that's just a video. It's not blinking. But see, let's do it on the volume on this one. Your eyes were there. It's not as bad as the other one, but it doesn't respond. It doesn't really respond to how much you're doing it. See? Then, see, it still takes way too much time. So you basically do the same thing. You take this, pop this off. All right, let me get this off and then I'll show you. Okay, this is a little bit different. This one came off in 2 pieces. This is the piece that stays on the inside. It shuts it on and off. And this is the outside dial that turns the volume. But it's the same idea. You see this? You see where it turns? You're going to spray inside the seam all the way around. Do it with the radio off. Like I said, a couple of times. Spray it again a couple of times, spray it again. Make sure you don't have anything splatter. Use your rag, and we're going to see how this one is. Okay, put it back together. Now you'll see it over. It's blinking, but it doesn't blink in life. It's blinking on the radio. But look, here we go. Watch the gauge, see? Everything is the right way. Do it fast. Fixed. All right, guys. That's you know, it's annoying sometimes. And you know what it is? I have the volume on the steering wheel on this particular car, so I use that. But you know, sometimes you want to just shut it off from there. Sometimes there's a reaction, and you grab that knob to lower it, in case of emergency or whatever. So that's how you fix it. Okay, Motor Car Nut, please subscribe, hit that like button. Any questions, leave them below. I answer all my questions. Check out all my videos. I got hundreds of videos on how to save money, a lot of money. I'll see you guys in the next video. I appreciate all the comments, and thank you very much. Bye.